my God, y'all. Now this is round 2. I just want to get the freaking salt out of the cupboard so I can fry my chicken. I'm just trying to fry my chicken, y'all. Charlie, please, can you just let me get the salt out? Charlie, he got me so scared. Charlie, why you keep doing this to me? Get out of there. Starla, tell him to get out of there, girl. Tell him to get out of there. I need to finish making my food. Don't you want to come with Starla? Y'all. Come on, teen. Come out of there. Don't be staring at my finger. Teen, I need to get the salt. Please, let me get the rest of the seasoning so I could... Thank you. Thank you. You want to be nice? Oh! Yo! Teeny, stop! I think I'm going to have to get one of the kids up here to distract him while I get this salt out of the cupboard because I'm not about to lose a finger behind no salt. Maybe this is about the time I need to start thinking about my sodium intake. Maybe the bird is trying to save my life. What do y'all think, y'all? Just like I'm having a moment here. Okay, Charlie, let's compromise. Which is mommy, don't side eye me. I need the salt. Can you compromise? Look, you see that? I am going for the salt, okay? Can you allow me to get the salt? Charlie? Come on out. Come on out of here. Come on out of here. Come. Can you stop being bad? You was not about to guard the spices like Fort Knox. This is not what we're doing. Can one of y'all come get Charlie while I get the spices out of the cupboard, please? Come on, because this is getting ridiculous. I'm going to have to lock him up. I don't know, like when I open up the spice cupboard, he must can smell the spices. What? Get this bird up out of there. He don't want to go. Come on, Charlie. He won't let me get the salt. He won't let me get the salt. Ah! Charlie! No! We gotta get him out of there. I've never seen him act like this. Listen to me, you guys. He's never done this. Ah! Thank you. Young, this nigga on. Hey, yo, you on your head today, huh? What the fuck is wrong with you, Slam? You was on your head today, Mo. Like, what he done got up into up in this cupboard that he is protected like that?
It's everything.
He must got some secret move. Did y'all just see that? What in the hell? I'm gonna lock you up in there. Bye. Get out of there. Get out. I'm gonna close you in there. Get out. Get out. Get out. Yeah. Come on. Get out of there. Come. Get your ass out of here. The hell.